Okay, I'll just show you how to connect a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Porsche Macan. It's a 2020. So we go to settings, we're into Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom on home here. There's no phone at the moment, so it says there connect a phone in the phone area. Click on that. It's saying insert a SIM card or connect phone via Bluetooth. Porsche BT0423, click on that, and then we have to accept it here. Accept. It's the pairing 747431. Yes. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. It's connecting. It's showing the Sat Navs come up there, so it's already connected. Now it's got Apple CarPlay too, so connect. We want to do that. Apple CarPlay. Accept. Use CarPlay. That's what I want to do. I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth system in this 2020 Porsche Macan. So first of all, we go to music. We find something. Glorious by the Foxes. I like that. If you see there at the bottom, if I click on that, it's showing iPhone or CarPlay. iPhone speakers or CarPlay. I don't want either of those. What I want is for it to play via Bluetooth. So I'll go on to media, turn it down again, it keeps turning it up. I'll get a copyright strike. And then at the top there, you've got DAB FM and an arrow. That's what we want. So we click on there, and then we go to Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. Use PCM. Barry's iPhone, and you'll see there Porsche's come up. That's what we want. And that's it. It's playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to use the Sat Nav in this 2020 Porsche Macan. So from any screen here, we'll just go to home, nav. Here we go, nav. You've got start here. Nothing else here. We'll go to search. I want PR, change there to numbers 5 4. Go back to ABC, EA, PR5 4EA. Click on there, start route guidance.
The route is being calculated. After 200 yards, leave the roundabout at the third exit and continue to follow the A675.
Basically, we're sat on the forecourt, but it's telling me to go down to the roundabout, come back, and we're here. So I'll just stop that.